What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Mike and happy new year to everyone. So this is the first beat of 2023, so I want to make something chilled, something smooth. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Alright, so I have all the sounds that I want to use read here. So I'm using the cactus sample pack. This one is a free sample pack from cactus. I'll put the link in the description so that you can download it. So the first thing is let's open Pureit. I've chosen this sound called bamboo. So now let's get into piano roll. So the first thing is we're supposed to make a chilled chord progression. So let's get into it. So let's start making the root note first. Alright, so now that we have our root note, so let's start making. So I think this one is D minor, is in D minor. So let's try to, yeah, this sounds good. Yeah, this sounds good. Yeah, so now let's try to play around with the chords and let's come up with something catchy. First, let's get this root note and put it octave down. Let's get this octave up. Let's get this octave down. And let's copy this same one, put it octave up. Okay, let's get this octave down. Let's get this same one, octave up. Let's get this guy octave down and get this same guy octave up. So now it sounds good. So I think the melody sounds good. So what you're going to do is hit Control A to highlight everything, and then hit Alt R to randomize the velocity as usual. Yeah, this sounds good. Alright, so alright, now so the second thing that you're going to do is hit Alt S so that the chord shouldn't hit at the same time. So something like that. Just do. Alright. Yeah, this sounds good. Alright, I think the melody is done. Now let's start making drums. Alright, so now I think this sounds good. Let's listen to it. Yeah. Alright, now let's add the kick and the 808. Alright, so for this one we also have two 808s. So the other one I'll use them for slides, and then the other one just for normal. So yeah, let's start making the 808. Alright, so this sounds good. Alright, now let's make the second 808 where we're going to put the slide. So let's get into another 808. Alright, so now let's put the kick. Alright, so this actually sounds good. So now let's add a bass. First let's open this Toxic by Hazard, and then let's go on the bass. Let's choose this almost lead. Alright, this sounds good. So now let's add some pads. Let's open the same Toxic by Hazard, and let's go on the pad. Let's try this Angel Voice, something like that. So let's try this one. So let's get these same chords here. We hit Control C to copy, and then click there, and then Control V to paste. So let's see how it's gonna sound. Alright, so I think now it sounds good. Now let's open arcades. So I found this this pack is called Can't Read Your Mind, and we're going to use this one. So let's get into piano roll and start making the vocals.
Talk to me, I will be, I'm on your side, yeah. Talk to me, I'm on your side. Don't wanna go, don't look at me that way. Talk to me, I'm on your side, yeah. Don't look at me that way. Don't look at me that way. Call me, I'm into you, yeah.
Yeah, this sounds perfect.
Don't look at me that way. Call me, I'm into you, yeah.
Alright, so let's put some EQ on the vocals here. On the EQ here, let's remove a little bit of high ends and some low ends.
Talk to me, I'm on your side, yeah.
Let's put some reverb.
Talk to me, I'm on your side, yeah. Don't look at me that way.
I think we need some delay.
Don't look at me that way. Call me.
I feel like we can add the violin. Alright, so I've opened Sakura, and then I've gone on the strings. I've chosen this S tiara viola FG.
Talk to me, I'm on your side, yeah. Talk to me, I'm on your side, yeah. Don't look at me that. Talk to me, I'm on your side, yeah. Don't look at me that way. Call me, I'm into you, yeah. I'm into you, yeah.
This sounds good. This sounds perfect. So let's put some reverb on it. Let's go.
Talk to me, I'm on your side, yeah. Don't look at me that way.
Yeah, I think the beat is good. So what I'm going to do now is to arrange it, and then I'll add some few things, maybe like drill guns, some razor, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back. I'm done arranging it, and yeah, let's listen to it.
Talk to me, I'm on your side, yeah. Don't look at me that way. It's mine. I'm into you, yeah. Talk to me, I'm on your side,
Alright, so that's the end of the beat. Chilled, simple, and if you like this type of videos, please let me know. Give it a like, subscribe, write something nice in the comments. See you next time. Peace.